Since so many of you did not know what an actual food steamer is, I just want to quickly show you what it is and how it works, because it is actually very useful, especially if you want to prepare healthy whole foods. So it is basically just this device where you put some water into the bottom, and then you have these trays that go on top. Mine here has 2 trays, and inside them you can simply put whatever whole food you want to steam. For example, you could put some sweet potatoes in there, taro or regular potatoes, as well as some chicken, turkey, eggs, seafood or vegetables. Even some legumes can work well depending on how they are prepared. Many steamers also allow you to prepare rice. Depending on the model, there may be a separate bowl for it, and the rice actually turns out very nicely. Then you simply put everything together and turn it on. The steamer heats the water at the bottom, and the steam rises through the trays and cooks the food. So it is really just using water and steam to cook everything through. And the advantage compared with an oven or an air fryer, for example, is that you do not need to add fats or flavorings just to prepare the food. So it can also save you some money because you only need water. You do not need to keep buying oils or other additional cooking products just to prepare your meals. You can simply cook the food with steam, take it out when it's finished, and eat it. It is also very convenient because it does not really require any cooking skills. You put some water into the bottom, place the food into the trays, turn it on and wait until it's ready. And that is really all there is to it. So this is really what I enjoy using these days. It has made it so much easier for me to prepare and eat whole foods in their natural form. And I think it's a very useful investment, especially if it helps you prepare food like this more often. So if you want to make eating real whole foods easier, this is honestly one of the simplest things you can get. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!